Hi guys! Good morning! For today's video is pupunta tayo sa work ni Wayne. Sa sawmill guys kasi nagpapasama siya sa akin. It's Saturday ngayon. It's November 4 and it's 10:30 in the morning. And pupunta tayo ng sawmill. Kasi gusto niya mag-work guys this weekend. And wala siyang kasama doon. So sasama tayo sa kanya. But anyway guys, first I'll going to flex to you my mangoes. Look at this guys, oh. Yes, ang raming bunga ng mango dito guys sa likod bahay namin guys. Ayan, look at that guys. Ito yung greenhouse ko sa back. At meron din kaming mango dito guys. One mango, marami din siyang bunga guys. Yan, so alis na kami ni Wayne guys. Pupunta kami ng sawmill and i-vlog ko yung ginagawa niya doon sa sawmill. Okay, bye-bye! So guys, this is the sawmill. At nandito tayo ngayon sa sawmill. Yan, this is the sawmill guys. Ito yung sa wood nila. Yes. So yan guys. We are in sawmill. Hindi ko alam yung process nila dito guys. Oops. So slippery. Hello Al. Morning. So this is the area of Wayne. Nice. This is the work of Wayne. This is a shop where he's working. And yeah. His work anyway is sharpening the saw. So here he's working today. Look at guys, so sharp. So nandito tayo ngayon sa shop guys, kung saan nag-work si Wayne. Yan guys. So dito muna tayo ngayon for 1 hour. Sabi niya mag-work daw siya for 1 hour.
Termites, isn't it? Yeah, termites. But you can only do this soft part, like you can't actually get the whole wood.
Alright. Only the soft. So ayan guys. Pupunta tayo sa other shop guys ni Wayne. So dalawa yung shop nila dito. So, ayan guys. Huwag nating disturban si Wayne kasi naka-work siya ngayon. And ito yung other shop nila guys. Ayan. Kung saan marami ditong mga blades ng... Ayan guys. Tingnan nyo guys, mga blades. Ayan. Daming blades. Alright. Wayne's give me this one guys. Eyeglass. Guys, tingnan nyo guys, marami siyang blade dito. Ayan. Iba't ibang klaseng blade guys. Yun nandito. Yan siya guys. Different sizes. Yan. Tapos, ito yung gagawin ni Wayne ngayon. Yung blade na yan. Maraming blades guys. Almost, I guess, 20 blades here. Yan. Dito sa... Yan. May mga maliliit, may mga malalaking blades. Yan yung ginagamit guys para pangputol ng kahoy. Depends kasi kung anong kahoy anong sizes ang ikakat nila. And then, yun, gagamitin ng blade is different din. Yan. Yan guys. So, ilalagay ni Wayne sa lalagyan ng machine. Hindi ko alam guys. So, I don't have any idea what he's doing. But,
putting the tool on.
Yeah,
This machine
that's machine.
automatically
Yeah.
go and sharpen it.
Right. So, Wayne said that it is a machine, guys, to how to sharp the blades. So, that is a machine, guys.
It will make sense shortly.
Okay. Do your work there, Wayne. Don't mind me, okay?
I'm not. I'm just helping you.
So, uupo tayo dito ngayon, guys. Uupo tayo dito kasi gusto kong umupo. So, ayan, guys. Marami ditong mga okay. Meron dito sa mga different machine. Itutur ko kayo. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa mga mabusisi, guys, na mga hindi kasi ako mahilig magbusisi ng mga machines nila dito kasi hindi ako interested sa sawmill. But ito, I don't know what kind of machine is this. Ayan guys, meron din silang machine dito na other guys. Yan. So, maliit lang yung sew shop ni Wayne. Actually guys, siya lang kasi mag-isa ang gumagawa ng ganitong trabaho everyday. Wala siyang reliever guys. So, pag mag-absent siya, mahihirapan talaga silang kumuha ng kapalit ni Wayne kasi siya lang mag-isa dito sa sew shop. So, yun guys. Ito guys, o tingnan nyo guys. So, super sharp ng blade. Parang nakaka...
They're not over here, but they're actually sharp.
Right,
Yeah, you can see that they're... Oh, last time I'll show you.
That's already sharp. Oh, I don't want to touch it.
No, don't touch it.
No, I don't want to. I'm
Showing you.
Yeah. I'm sorry. It's not good to the vlog. Yeah, that one is very sharp according to Wayne.
Them
Yeah.
both are very sharp.
Oh, yeah. So I don't want to touch it, guys, because I don't have any gloves. But Wayne said it's very sharp there.
Very sharp. Like, look, look.
No, I don't want
Can't bring the
that.
gloves.
Oh, yeah. So you're doing that one. You did that.
So the end result of this will be that.
Yeah, yeah. Oh. So, according to Wayne, guys, ito na yung na-finish na sharp na niya na blades, guys. Guys, tingnan niyo naman, guys. Sobrang sharp niya. Ayan. Ayaw ko siyang hawakan talaga kasi baka masugatan ako, guys. So, yun. Ayan, mga different pa dito, guys. Ito yung mga kailangan niya pang i-sharp na blades. Yan. Dito naman sa back is yan. Meron din dito, guys. Bali, dalawang machine siya. Yeah, this one is sharp also. Wayne said that this is sharp too, so I need to be careful, guys. Grabe, guys. Sobrang talim, guys. Sobrang sharp niya, guys. Nakakatakot siyang hawakan, guys. Yan. Yun. Meron pa dito, guys. So, si Wayne lahat ang nagtatrabaho nito, guys. And, marami pa dito. Yan. Marami pa ditong mga blades. Kailangan niyang i-sharp, guys. Mag-start na siya. Guys, kailangan natin magsuot ng eyeglass, guys, kasi pang-protect ng eyes. Kasi yung mga chips ng wood, guys, is parang magbabaid si Wayne, guys, ng ganon. So, kailangan natin magsuot ng eyeglass kasi baka matamaan yung mata natin, guys. So, guys, binigyan ako ni Wayne para sa pahinga ko guys. Kasi nga, sabi niya maingay daw. So, ayan. So, meron din akong sa eye glass protector guys. Eyes protector. This is a sawmill guys. So, dito yung process nila. Dito sila nagpa-process every day.
The logs come in here.
Yeah.
Okay, you go onto this carriage here.
Yeah.
And the big saw cuts them down into manageable sizes.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the small benches
Yeah.
cut them to the boards we use.
Oh.
Yeah, cut them to the boards we use.
Yeah.
Boards that are on size coming.
So, ito yung planta nila guys ng wood. Sa wood nila guys, sa planta. Sorry guys, hindi ako marunong mag-explain.
Yeah, so it comes through, gets cut.
Yes.
Logs roll down,
Yes.
gets cut into manageable size.
Money, yes.
Yeah. And then it goes down and gets stacked down there.
So, yun yung mga woods nila. Right. And thank you, darling. Let's go back there.
Oh, that's right. That's all automatic now.
Yeah.
I've said it. That's all.
So, where's the worker? Where do you put the workers if it is automatic here?
Well, no, it's not automatic here.
Ah, righto.
So there'd be one worker in there.
One worker there.
Yeah, Jacob's inside there.
Ah, righto.
Jacob in there. Scotty and Tess
Ah, righto.
up here.
Yes.
Young Lupe down here.
Yeah.
Then you got the docker. That's Ben.
Yeah.
And then you got everyone down the green chain stacked in.
Where's Nadine's work? Where is
Nadine's
it?
down here. She's Charlie.
Oh.
Let's go for a walk.
No, darling, you just in work.
Automatic. I'll show them you. I've got a bean here. It's automatic. It's working.
So, ito guys. Yung sew shop nila guys.
Okay. So this is the recovery bench. Everything that's not cut right
Yeah.
gets sent back up this roller.
Ah, right. Yeah.
Recut.
Yeah, recut.
Okay. And everything comes down and goes into, gets docked, cut the sides. Yeah. Yeah. You see here? Gives you an idea of like what the boards start at now. And then you cut them back to size and that, yeah.
Oh, now I know.
Yeah.
Makes sense now.
That's all back to size. And that's the saw, like 1, 2, 3, 4 saws we're going to keep an eye on.
Really? So where every time that you're gonna work, how you can keep an eye on this thing here?
So we'll walk up the line.
Really? Oh, right. Because sharpening a saw is automatic, so you don't need to be there and sitting for,
No.
All right.
Not this part, but the other part I've got to do today, I'll show you, but that other part's a bit different. You got to be there called manual.
Yeah. I know. I understand. So yan guys. Yan guys. Actually hindi ko siya masyadong ma-express or hindi ko siya masyadong ma-picture out sa mind ko guys kung paano talaga yung pagkakat ng woods sa explanation ni Wayne. Pero sabi niya dito daw dadaan yung kahoy guys. And then dito is dito yung automatic na nagkakat na ng according to the sizes that they want guys. So dito siya nilalagay, dito siya papunta hanggang doon guys. So ayan. So, in short guys, ito pala yung blade na binabaid ni Wayne guys, or sharp ni Wayne. Dito pala siya nilalagay. Yan. Yan, malalaking blade guys. So nakakatakot talaga pag naputol yung kamay mo dyan guys. Good luck na lang sa'yo guys. Yan. So, yan. Actually, sabi ni Wayne is yung work niya daw guys is nag-sharp siya ng mga blade. Pero yung blade pala guys is automatic pala siyang nasi-sharp. So, iniiwan niya na lang guys. And, yan, chine-check niya yung mga kahoy guys. Kung okay ba yung cutting ng woods. Kasi pag hindi, i-adjust niya yung blade. Ito, yung blade guys. Ina-adjust niya yan. So, there's a lot of woods here. Yan guys. Very dangerous here guys kasi it's a machine. But, you know, ito yun guys, malalaking machine. Malalaking kahoy pala, sorry. Yan. So, ito yung mga chips guys. Dito dumadaan yung mga chips, yung mga maliliit na guys, yung mga butil, yung mga bagaso, kung bagaw sa Bisaya. So, ayan yung mga malalaking kahoy guys. So, pupunta na tayo sa shop ni Wayne at ilalagay na natin tong earrings guys, yung nilalagay sa ear para hindi masyadong maingay. Yan.
What is that? This is a bed grinder.
Yeah.
For the it sharpens the chisel blade. I mean, the chipper blades. This is the chipper blade. And it sharpens that part. Yeah. It's sharp. Watch it, it's sharp.
Oh yeah. So dito lang pala siya pinaprocess niya, guys. Anong pangalan? What's the name? Chipper blade. Yeah. Chipper blade daw guys. Dito siya guys.
Chip wood?
Yeah. Chip.
Little wood.
Right.
Sawdust and little chip wood.
Guys, so tingnan nyo guys. Be careful. Careful. Wait, I don't want you to cut your hand. Oh guys.
Yeah, that'll go on 15 cycles now.
Yeah.
So it's got 30 to go, see? And automatic. It goes down like 1/10 of a thou, like bugger all, 1/10 of a thou every time. It goes down once, twice, and drops down.
Someone asked for the help of Wayne guys. So ayan, tumatakbo sila guys. Ayan. Tumatakbo sa hindi ko alam anong dahilan kung bakit sila tumatakbo. Something like emergency. Ayan guys. So, ito pala yung chipper blade na sinasabi ni Wayne. Dito pala yun siya guys na blade para sa mga maliliit na chips na wood. So dito pala yung blade na yun guys. Yung sa mga maliliit. Yung parang bagaso guys, in short. So hindi ko alam bakit sila tumatakbo. But anyway, ayan guys. Dito yung blade na sinasharp ni Wayne. Dito yun nilalagay yung blade. Kasi marami siyang chips, woods there. Ayan. Ayan guys. As you can see guys, ayan. Yung mga bagaso good guys na hindi na ginagamit, dito siya guys. Like ito guys. Ito. Ayan nyo. Ayan. So dito siya sa machine na to. Sobrang laki na machine. And yan. Maganda yung weather ngayon kasi umulan kagabi. And hindi masyadong mainit. Pero guys, last week, sobrang init talaga guys sa Theodore. And, yun. Mabuti ngayon kasi umulan kagabi. And tingnan nyo naman yung clouds guys. Para yatang uulan ngayon din. Pero okay lang. Ayan, sobrang busy nila guys. And hindi ko alam kung bakit. anong dahilan, bakit sila nagmamadali, hindi ko alam. Maybe I will ask Wayne later what's happening, but now at the moment, just let it them do what they're gonna do, because I don't have any, I can help them with that anyway, so just leave it. So ayan si Wayne, guys. Ayan. Ayan, si Wayne. Ayan guys, sumatakbo siya guys. Parang emergency. Hindi ko alam bakit. Ayan. Ito si Wayne. So, pupunta na tayo kay Wayne. What's happening, darling? What's wrong?
I got bug.
Bug? What bug?
Can't move his tires. Come on, quick.
Bug what?
He got bug. Can't move his tires. Can't move his car.
Right. And then, what they gonna do? They're gonna pull that truck. Are you going to help them?
Stay over here. I just gotta get my apron.
Ayan guys. So, dito yung trabaho ni Al guys. Sa may treating the woods guys. Kasi para daw to avoid termites and everything. Yan. Ito yung work niya guys. Nilalagyan niya ng chemicals yung woods. Para hindi siya maanay. Ganon. So, busy din si Al ngayon. So, babalik tayo sa show shop ni Wayne. So, dito lang daw ako ngayon, guys. Yan. So, sitting pretty tayo ngayon, guys. Ayun, guys. Sabi ni Wayne, bakit sila na tumatakbo kanina is yung truck daw is parang na-stuck siya doon. So, hindi makaalis yung truck na sinasakyan ng tao. Kaya, maybe, hilain nila, guys, using the chain. Yun. So, yun. Yung malaking truck doon, na-trap siya. Parang na-stuck siya sa lupa, guys, and hindi siya makaalis. Ganun. So, ayan yung ginagawa ni Wayne, guys. Hindi ko alam anong tawag niyan, guys. Yan.
Over there, it's solid saw, see? But here is the tungsten tip.
What do you mean by tungsten tip?
See that little bit there?
Ah.
That part there?
All right.
Yeah.
So, dito daw guys, is manual yung pag-sharp. Manual daw yung pag-sharp ng chips guys, or ng blade kasi meron siyang, tingnan nyo guys. Ayan, meron siya dito, parang meron siya ditong harang. So, hindi siya pwede doon sa machine nila, sa automatic nila na machine. So, yun. So, mano-mano yung gagawin ni Wayne. Using this, guys. Using this. Pero doon sa other shop niya, guys, is automatic na siya. Automatic na siya nag-sharp ng saw or ng blade.
That there is what we call a carbide tip.
Ah.
See, it goes on the top there.
Yeah. So, this is the one.
That's what you actually sharpen. It's not the actual saw.
Ah.
So you sharpen the carbide tip.
Yeah.
And that's what makes it sharp.
Ah.
That's not. It is sharp. That'll
Yeah.
still cut you, but it's not.
You need to sharp it
Still
more.
needs sharpening.
So, this is the one that sharp the woods instead of the chips there.
Yeah,
So,
steel.
this is
instead of the steel.
instead of the steel.
Yeah, it's the carbide tip. It's tungsten carbide.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, it's like really tough steel. Like,
All right.
like if I grab that grinder there now, it'd take me hours to cut through that one little bit. Okay, but if I grab that grinder and cut through this steel, it'd take me seconds. That's how hard that is. That's like 10 times harder than what steel is. It's carbide tip. That one little tip is probably got more hardener in it than this whole saw.
Yeah, I understand.
And you see,
Be careful.
Bond it's got the steel.
Yeah.
That's what you got. That's what makes it run.
Yes. So dito pala siya guys. Para siyang iniikot. Okay.
The solder, so this stuff here is like a bit like a cleaning agent.
Yeah, a cleaning agent.
Yeah, so you put it on. You got to put it on here first.
Mm.
Put it on there first. Set it all up.
Do your job there, darling. Ayan. Marami siyang mga proseso, guys. Kung paano niya tinitreat yung mga blades, guys. Pero for me, guys, parang hindi ako interested. So, kayo na bahala, guys. Ayoko naman siyang i-explain isa-isa kung ano yung ginagawa niya, guys. Kasi, I'm not interested, guys. So, maybe someone's interested sa ganitong trabaho. Siguro, siya na lang yung mag-research kung ano yung ginagawa ni Wayne. Pero, ayan, guys. Ayan. I don't know what it is, guys. Pwede ko namang tanungin si Wayne kung anong ginagawa niya. Pero, I prefer to sit down here, guys, sa chair. And, yun. Papanoodin nga natin si Wayne, guys. Kasi kahit naman i-explain niya sa akin, guys, kung ano yung ginagawa niya, is ma-i-erase rin naman siya sa mind ko. Kasi, yun.
Like that. You tip on.
Ah, you put it on the tip. Ah, so that is a paste. Can I hold this one or not?
That's welding agent.
The welding agent. Oh, right, oh. So, ito pala yung nagpapan, guys, para madikit yung chips niya, para madikit siya, guys, dito sa paano, guys, sa tips. Welding agent. Yep. Okay, I understand.
Don't touch that, it's hot.
Alright, okay. So yun guys, sabi niya sa akin guys, is kini-clean niya muna. Wayne said that he needs to clean it first before putting these chips. This, yan guys.
Tip.
Tips.
T-I-P.
Tips. Sorry, it's tips, not chips.
Tip. Yeah.
Don't say tips.
It's a tip.
Tips. Yeah. Yan guys. So ayan, nilalagay na ni Wayne using this one guys, this one. So i-measure niya guys using the measurement thing, blah blah choo.
Micrometer.
Micrometer. Yes. And
Okay,
then
ready?
yes.
You close your eyes, but you can use your. Yeah, you're right. You can watch it though.
Ayan na guys, ididikit na ni Wayne yung tips. Yan. Tapos na.
That's it.
That's it. Just turn it off.
There's one more to go.
Ayan, alam niyo na guys kung ano yung process niyan. So, sa mga interested, is for this video is for you guys. Actually, pwede ko naman siyang tanungin kung ano yung mga steps talaga, yung mga measurement, blah blah. Pero for me guys, it's too much. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo kung ano yung work niya dito sa shop niya. Yun lang guys. And ngayon guys, super sleepy ako guys. Parang gusto kong matulog. And yeah, hintayin rin si Wayne kasi sabi niya sa akin is pumunta daw kami dito para meron siyang kasama dito sa shop. So yes, pupunta tayo since day off natin ngayon at may work tayo tomorrow Sunday sa hostel. So we were going to sit down here Facebooking and I'm gonna update you later. Okay? Bye-bye! So guys, Wayne put that one there and he's going to lift that blade. Did you check it all, darling? Did you check all the tips here? If you just doing, did you check all of it? Really?
Everyone will have a tape on there. Yeah.
All right.
Come here, see ya.
No, we're just doing your job, okay? Don't mind me. Ayan guys, so ilalagay niyo siya sa makina. Ayan guys, hindi ko alam yung ginagawa ni Wayne. But, sige lang guys. Observe lang natin to guys. Kasi, ayoko naman siyang tanungin. Kasi, siya, at work, on work siya ngayon. So, ayoko naman sayangin yung oras niya dito guys. Kasi, bayad siya ngayong araw sa pagtatrabaho. So, ayoko naman, di ba? Ayan. So, ayaw naman nating disturbohin si Wayne. Kasi on duty siya ngayon guys, and bayad yung oras niya dito. So, ayaw ko naman maging rude sa company na palaging i-interviewin siya sa ginagawa niya. So, ayan guys, makikita natin yung ginagawa ni Wayne. Paano naman bad naman dito sa likod, tingnan. Para may ginagawa siyang tanong. So, ayan. Para siyang chemicals. Parang chemicals. Yun, isa-isahin niya yun guys. My God, ang tagal niyan guys. Yan.
What this is shaping it so it's all circle. It's like
Yeah.
one complete circle.
Yeah.
Okay, then I do your hole with your bevel.
What is the purpose of that liquid? What is the purpose of that liquid?
Liquid to keep it cool so that the tip doesn't overheat.
Ah.
Melt that solution over to the welding stuff.
All right.
If by heat, we melt that back off.
All right.
Just to keep it cool.
All right.
That's a diamond tip.
Ah. So sabi ni Wayne guys is aside from ginawa niya kanina, yan siya guys, pang sharp din siya ng saw guys. But that water is the purpose of that para ma-cool daw yung ginawa niya guys, pag grind niya. Hindi ko kaya i-explain, my God. But anyway, yun siya guys, since sinasharp niya yung blade using that thing there, meron ding water para madali siyang mag-cool down. So, ayan si Wayne dito guys. Hindi pa siya tapos guys kasi yung buong blade guys is kailangan niyang ganyanin guys. So, it must take 30 minutes para matapos niyang blade. So, ginagawa niya. So guys, another blades na naman ito guys na i-sharp ni Wayne. Kasi yung una guys is tapos na niyang i-sharp. So ito yung blades na second blade. So yan, ina-adjust ni Wayne guys yung machine para paano siya masyado para ma-sharp niya yung blade. Yan. Adjusting the machine. Make sure na matatamaan niya yung blade. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon guys, yung final product guys na na-sharp niya na. Which is, I guess 30 minutes niya itong shinarp guys. Sobrang matalim nito guys. Look at this. Ito kong hawakan kasi baka sugatan ako. So, ayan. Ito na yan guys. Sobrang talim niya. Tingnan nyo guys. So, ayan. Tignan kayo. So, ayan guys. Update ko na naman kayo guys. Pupuntahan natin si Wayne. Kung anong ginagawa niya. Ayan. Ayan si Wayne guys. Tahimik lang siya sa ginagawa niya.
It's the final part.
What's that?
This is the sharpening part, the final part. See, that was one of them.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Is it sharp already?
No.
Nah?
It's just the hog and the bevel part.
Alright, oh.
So it knows which way to cut.
Mm. So what's the purpose of that is if you're not going to sharp it? Like it's not sharp.
This is the sharpening part right now.
Ah, right on.
I sharpen it now, then I send it out. It's all good.
Ah, right on. So this is the final step. Ah, right on. So Wayne will going to sharp the blades now. The tips or the teeth of the blade. So we're going to wear our eyeglass and Wayne will going to make put some marker to the blade, and yeah, that's the final stage. He said he will going to sharpen. So we need to be careful for us not to touch it because it's very dangerous. Also, yeah, that's very sharp. Darling, be careful. Wait, nilinisan ko muna yung... Very dangerous job siya, guys. Kasi pag hindi ka mag-focus nito, maaaring may mangyari sa'yo. Kaya kailangan mo mag-focus. Yes. Yan. So, iisa-isahin pala ni Wayne. Akala ko, iikot na siya, tapos yung machine na yung gagawa, or siya na yung mag-sharp or ang tips ng blade, but si Wayne pala yung manual, mano-mano pala siya. So, ganon.
You can see what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Come stand this side.
Yeah.
You can see what I'm doing.
Okay. Wayne wants me to go to the side. So, yeah. Guys, paulit-ulit lang naman pala siya guys. So, parang wala namang difference. Kaya, babalik tayo sa chair natin at mag-Facebook. Hello guys! Thank you so much for watching to my vlog. And this is me, Karen. And I'll see you next time to my another vlog. Bye-bye. Thank you.